Hello everyone, welcome to HackerOneHC with me. This is Sanjay. So this is not going to be an hacking tutorial or tricks video. So today we are going to see an awareness video. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you shocking news from Facebook. So Facebook's last update, I think so last week, they have released their new update. So in this update, there is a shocking update also which will be default in this app, and Facebook also has also informed about this to its users are we. So many of the people have not listened about it because in this lockdown period we are using Facebook, but we don't know this about this information. So today I am going to share it, and I am going to tell how to turn off this. By default it will be on, but if you want, you can also turn off it. So that's what we are going to see is this about this in this video. So what is it? Before we are going to our video, please like, share and subscribe. If you are not doing anything in this, at least share this video to your friends and relatives, because if you know about this information, uh, maybe your friends and relatives may not be informed about this. So please share this video. So now let's go on to our video. So Facebook is a company which earns lots and lots of money every day, and it also owns Instagram and WhatsApp. So the owner of this company is Mark Zuckerberg. And don't skip this video anywhere, because I am going to tell you how to change these settings. So Facebook's last update was uh, by default they will be tracking us from this update. So what are we I mean not only from the Facebook app, apart from Facebook background. So what are the apps you have, and what are all you are searching in that app, and for example Google Chrome, what are all searching and needed by Google Chrome. And if you have any Paytm app or any PayPal or any money transferring e-banking applications, so whenever you are what are all the time you are using it, and how many times a day or a week, or 2 times once, 2 days once, how many times you are using it, and what was the transaction was about, and what are the for example, if you are using any e-commerce website, for example Amazon or Flipkart, what are the things you are purchasing from it. So don't think that this is going to be in danger. This is a danger, but not much for that. So this is not any hack or anything, just to know your needs and wants. They are doing this, Facebook is doing this. By this, what they will do is they will provide you the related ads. So for example, if you are buying an iPhone 11 Pro, so you are buying from it, and you are buying it from an e-commerce website, as I said before, like Amazon or Flipkart. So they will be knowing this, and what they will do is they will be posting ads related to this, like back cover or back case for iPhone 11 Pro, and transparent panel, transparent back case for iPhone 11 Pro, and mobile screen guard in the sense I mean sorry guys, screen protector, which is our temper glass, and headsets related to this. They may also provide AirPods. So by this, what the Facebook will do is, what are the things you are required, they will know about it, and they will provide you the ads related it. So to this is to make you buy. So for example, if you're not willing in any of the products, so they don't know what are all the product will you like, and you will not like. So they will be, if they have to make a research on this for lots and more of time and days. So they will provide any groceries, and next clothings, next sports items, next electronic items. So by this only they will be able to know that okay, this person likes this. So by tracking you all the time, they can know what you like and what you do not like. So that is only we are going to see. So that's about this update. But I'm going to show you how to disable this service which was provided default by the Facebook. So remember one thing, guys, if you are updating the latest version of Facebook, it may be Facebook Lite or Facebook full version, so you have it will be defaultly turned on, so you have to turn off it. So now you have to go to your settings. Just a minute, guys. So let's talk more about our channel. So in future updates, our next video will be how to get 100 Instagram followers every week, as I said in the before video. And upcoming videos will be related to hacking, like how to install Kali Linux in your Android, and Wi-Fi hacking, and what is Raspberry Pi, and everything related to that. Okay guys, let us see. So now if you see your profile here, you will be finding an option called settings. So click on it. After that you will be getting a detailed options like account settings and security, privacy, and your Facebook information. Make sure you see your Facebook information. So in this your Facebook information, under this you have to select off Facebook activity. So this update name is off Facebook activity. So now you can see here off Facebook activity. Your off Facebook activity. Off means outside, or what to say, apart from Facebook application. So your off Facebook activity is currently turned off. So I have turned off this. So how to turn on or turn off this, it depends upon you. So before turning off it, make sure you press this clear history and clear everything what are all there in your mobile phone. So nothing is there in my account. So you can also use this clear history to clear your history, so that the current time. So now see, I today tried to log in to a website called My Free Norm. So this is an domain link, by a domain buying website. So I log into this application website today. So it is mentioning there. So manage your off Facebook activity. You have to press that manage your off Facebook activity. So it is asking password to continue. So just a minute, more options. If you click manage future activity, so manage feature activity, you have to press enter here. So this is the feature of Facebook activity. So here only you have to turn on or turn off. So activity you have turned off, so I have turned off now. So if you want to turn on, press this button, it will be turning on. And if you want to turn off this, so now see, I have turned off this and I will turn off again. So if I turn off, a message will be appearing here that turning off this will disconnect your future activity. It means our Facebook off Facebook activity, it may take 48 hours until it's fully disconnected from your account. So press turn off again and this will be turned off. So make sure you all do this, guys, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, please make subscribe, share, and hit that like button and press that bell button, press and click all, so that you will be notified each and every time whenever we are posting our videos. So let me show the proof now. My internet connection is very poor nowadays during this lockdown period. So it is turned off. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all from today in HackerOne HC.